All right, I don't want to get you all hyped up right now. I really don't. I don't want to get you going crazy, insane, super hopes up, but get your hopes up because not the Ruger, not anything else, but my boys, my girls, my everyone. Don't mind all this other stuff. I got the we're at one of the headquarters that we have, one of the many, but we switched up the scenery today for obvious reasons. I've got this package, this box. It's like Christmas. Salomon Quest Prime. They're in the Phantom Black color. I've had these before and I switched to the 4D. So I came back. All right, I'm gonna tell you I came back, but stick with the video, watch the entire thing. We get into all of this, all of it. You ready? You ready? I'm gonna transport us to a safer location, a more discreet location, just because, well, I don't want to do this here. But I did want to show you the sweet little sunset we got going on. Back to our secret hidden lair out in the woods, because that's way more fitting for a hiking, tactical, whatever, movement boot, ergonomic boot. Don't you say? You agree, right? I do, so let's do that. Ladies, gentlemen, lads, lasses, everyone of the sort and whatever. It's 2020, so I don't even know what to call you. We have it here. We got the Toro out, the electric monster. This thing's a little dirty. We're out at the pit. This is where you see some of the shooting videos. I don't even know where it is. So if you guys keep asking me where it is, I can't tell you. I've been trying to find out for years. I just drive straight. I drive straight. I get in this thing and I just drive straight. I don't even know what direction I'm going in. I do, but it changes. Like the straight, you know, the earth isn't flat. You know what I mean? So we'll figure it out one day. I'll tell y'all, but trust me, hours, it's a full-time job. 40 hours a week, I'm trying to figure out where the pit actually is. But the pit's the pit, bro. Now, how do you get there? You walk there, right? Which leads to our next thing. We got these. We got the Salamanders, the Salamis, the Quest Prime GTX. GTX standing for GORE-TEX. Got it in the size 9.5. You know why? Because I like running these small. They do run kind of small, but you want to get them like a half size bigger, just because if you're hiking and whatnot. I'm telling you this from experience. I've had a couple pairs of these. Before I get into that, let's just unbox it, right? You want to see the unboxing. I want to see the unboxing. We just did an unboxing on the Ruger. That's why we're out at the pit. That's the Ruger 5.7. Shoots 5.7 cartridge, little mini micro Hot 22 rifle rounds, whichever side of the family you're on. If you like them or love them or hate them, I love them. I've got a weird obsession with Ruger stuff, but it's not what this video is about. Not at all. Safety on. Ambi safety. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. All right, so that video is coming soon. It's probably already posted because we just did it. But we're gonna get into this. I got a pair of socks too, a freshie. Fresh pair of socks, pair of gloves, and I got feet. Last time I checked, yeah, we do. Here we go. Are you ready for this? Woo! I love the smell and that sound of new boots. I really do. Really, really do. I've been waiting to do this with you guys for a hot minute. I'll put the shades down for a second. I really have. And the reason why I've been waiting to do this is because I wanted to do an unboxing, and we had all this other stuff to unbox. But right now we just have these and, well, that, and then, what was it? The fingerprint scanner for the other HQ. That, we do know where it is. I can't tell you that. We're here. All the videos prior to this. I'm gonna have to buy more stuff and unbox that. This is kind of an unboxing channel, but also a utilization channel because I'm using this stuff. So, take these bad boys out of the box and put them right here so you can see them, see how I manipulate them, because there's some tips and tricks to these that you probably want to know. You probably want to know. You got to get this stuff, you know? It's another thing I do like. So first, when you get these, switch it over here so you can actually read this. I'll bring them up to you. Ortholite, the secret inside, comfort foam insoles. Now, that's a good point. When you get in here and if you pull these insoles out, they're foam pads, right? They're awesome. They really are. I like them. If you need to cut them down, you can. There's no reason why you should, because they come with the shoe size, fit to size. Good stuff. Put that right there. Now the Salomon 43 that I had, they don't have this little foam. If you can see that, there's that blue. Yeah, you can get in there. Get all up in there. Get all up in there. Come on, camera. Come on, cameraman. Cameraman. Let's see what you got. Can we? I think it should. Okay, it doesn't, but you see what I'm getting at. It's got that foam in there, and this shit's banging, man. It's awesome. Much more flexible shoe, flexible boot for hiking and whatnot. If you're doing strictly hiking, like you're walking, maybe the 4D3 is worth like a couple more bucks, but these have these cutouts where the 43 doesn't. These have these cutouts with the suede right here. That makes this so much more, the sole and everything, just more malleable and able to just kind of not be a cast to your foot. You want protection, but you don't really want casting. You don't want a rock, a boulder on your feet. That's my spin on it. I'm gonna stick with it. Discover the Ortholite Foam Tech, secret to comfort performance. Long-term cushioning, high-level breathability, moisture management. That's a fucking solid, spot-on factor, because my feet, I sweat a lot, and my feet always end up getting moisture wicked out of this. They're perfect. Lightweight comfort. They are pretty light. I think they're about 20 some ounces. A little bit lighter than the 4D3 again, but I love these. I love these so much more than the 4D3. I've had both pairs. These, my other pair got mangled. Yeah, GORE-TEX. It's gonna be waterproof, water resistant, you know, up to a certain point. Don't be a dickhead. We can yank this off now. That's good. Throw them back in the box. Now we got both shoes, right? So, gonna give you a little look-see at everything, right? Yeah. Really is a sick shoe. I've always loved this suede, this Alcantara type stuff. I'm a car guy, so I'm into that. It's microfiber. It's sick, man. Sick shit. And here's the money shot. Got the Conta grip down here. This, potentially, a little bit more going on than the 40X. I'm sorry, the 43 is a little more simple. Not gonna catch rocks. This might catch a rock, but yo, if you're gonna catch a rock, just pick it out, dude. Like, I understand what you're talking about, but too many people comment about bullshit like that. These shoes are the way to go. They didn't even pay me for this. I paid 180 bucks. I'll put the link for them down below to Amazon. It's gonna be your best bet because we'll get them like next day. I got them the very next day. Amazon's fucking, you know Amazon, they're fucking sweet. The laces, solid. If you want to switch them out with some sort of paracord or something, you could. These aren't a paracord, but they're very similar. This lace tech that they use, good stuff. You also have the tongue here. Tongue, it's connected to this to keep it waterproof, but it can push down. It'll mend to your feet. I'll show you once I put those socks on. I'll fit these on my feet. I'm about to do a workout too, so maybe I'll have the camera with me for a workout, and we'll see how these actually break in. I don't like to do something crazy when I'm breaking in new boots, but who knows. When I'm not wearing boots, I am almost barefoot. I'm a minimalist footwear person. I wear boots a lot, so when I have the opportunity to not, I try to emphasize on that. I try to not wear them. It's just my thing. It's my preference. A lot of muscles in your feet that just kind of die off if you cast yourself in boots and sneakers all the time. But the protection is necessary, very necessary in certain scenarios. Let's just get you, bam, gripped up there. All right. I like it. I like it a lot. So you'll see as I'm lacing these up, right? Put my foot up here like this. Notice how they all pull through. Good stuff. Big fan of these. You can kind of score up this if you need to. You know, watch destroying your boots immediately. But if you need to do anything, you can put them through here, or you can score that up down there. Whatever you want to do. That isn't the worst scenario. Do it that way. You can send it through with a loop. This is my preferred method because this is how I kind of tie my shoes regardless. A little bit of a quick detach type situation. Now if you want to just do something a little more efficient, just tuck it in. Tuck it in, bring it over. You can double knot that, whatever you want. Tucking my laces in here. I'm just going to do a single for right now. There's one. Somebody's going to be the dickhead to comment, yeah, it took 3 minutes to tie his shoes. I'm fucking talking to you guys and doing the unboxing and review of this as well. The other pair lasted me. I like to get new ones like every 6 months. I just really didn't need to because they were holding up really well. Really, really well. So you get what you pay for. Now, if you're gonna be around heat, these are not the way to go. If you need a steel toe, these are not the way to go. You can see what I'm talking about with them moving around and being low like that. See what I mean? It's just comfortable. They're very malleable, very soft. It's about 90 degrees right now. We're at probably 85. Under the shade it feels a lot less, but yeah. Yep, there we are, my friends. The full unboxing, and we're ripping in them. Now, it depends on what you're using these for. If you are military or whatever, you're not just hiking. You know, you're running, you're rucking, you got weight on you. It's a comfortable ride. I don't know what else you want me to get into unless I get naked and model them for you that way. I'm not going to do that though. So otherwise, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have anything else you want me to review, I'm saying us like I'm a business. Now I'm about to go hammer this workout out. So yeah, that's all I got for you. Let me know what you want us to. There I go again with the us. I'm used to my other channel where that is more of a us thing. Let me know what you want me to buy and blow my money on and review, and also torture tests. I'm open to torture testing products too. More preferably if I can get them for free, but we'll see. Have a good one. Amazon link down below. Click it. If you buy anything, it'll support our channel. It doesn't make it more expensive for you though. It's still just as cheap. And you still get it next day. Catch you later. Have fun. Enjoy the new Salomons you buy. Fucking son of a bitch.